ya Kirinyaga nĩ irakioneka kwaga gũkĩgũagũa na nĩ thutha wa gikundi kia kana atongoria amwe kana arugamiriri a wadi amwe na aria makihuhaga kayo ka mwahu wa UD kana wa Kenya Kwanza na makiria kiama kia UDA gukorwo magiukirira kana gukorwo magiukirira mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini ino makiuga ati akoretwo agitabania mihango thiini na nja wa mbunge ino na njira ya githuri gukiria uguo kana ona gukiria uguo mutongoria uyu wa aria aingi mbunge-ini nwe kîbînga ni akiugite ati kana akireganite na ndeto ino we akiuga ati gutiri kindu ta kiu.
Jaya cikaro cia mbunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga tauni-ini ya Kiruguya, MC atatu aria ni mbeu njithi ni meyumiritie na gutetia utongoria wa MCA wa aria aingi David Muriithi Kîbînga makiuga ati ni akoretwo akiagarara ihoto ciao.
Personally have issues with the majority leader who we voted for. And again, after we voted him, he was a very good man. But as the days are going, he has now trying to manipulate everything.
Na kionereria kia Ndugamano ya Kiuteti ni ubukite mbunge-ini ino rita riri gikuruhania mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini ino na MC amwe aria makoretwo makinyita mbaru mwahu wa thirikari rungu rwa kiama kia UDA.
To an extent that when you don't bow to him, he'll just remove you from committees. Like personally, I've been affected. He removed me from the committee on youth and sports, then youth and gender, where I should be in.
Atongoria ta MCA Mwamure Bosco Gichangi, Frederick Maina Wainoe na Thomas Mwangi wa Mukure maugiite na thengia wa gukorwo magitwara mateta mao mutongoria ucio akoretwo akiega kumathikiriria ona thengia wao gukorwo magitwara mateta na kwirwo moria mutongoria ucio.
The work of the leadership of the assembly is to represent the issues of the county assemblies, that is for the MCAs, to the executive and also to the governor.
Kuringana na Gichinga harutitwo kamiti-ini iyo ya mbeu njithi mithingi-ini ya Kiuteti kuona ni akoretwo agitetera mbeu njithi na kuria ciuria ciigie urutire wa wira wa thirikari ya kaunti kuona magibatara macokio ma minister thirikari imeraga makuru makiuria mutongoria ucio ciuria uria utakoragwo akimathikiriria.
Because we are young, we should be fought, we should be listened to. If you have issues, you should be there to listen as a leader. The issue of making sure no one is in good terms with the executive and even the governor, micromanaging even the executive. You cannot call a CC. The CC will call, then refer you to the majority leader.
Ngucanio no ni hakeri kwiyumiria kuria mweri-ini wa gatatu ma MC atano David Mathenge wa Faragwe, Kinyua wa Wangui wa Mitira, Waziri Moses wa Kanyikini na Karo Muriithi wa Karumade Daisy Githinji othe makorirwo makihamurithio rugamiriri-ini wa kamiti ino riria makorirwo makiaga kunyita mbaru thirikari ya county.
Me myself have tried to talk with our leadership, mostly our majority leader, and wherever I approach him, he tells me that things will be okay, but going forward, things are not going the way we expected.
MCA amugite ati matikugũagũa ona kana kumakio ni itua riri makiuga ati makoretwo magitetera muingi wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga.
Bad leaders can do to micromanage people. So if you want to do something in the assembly, you have groupings, and the groupings are the ones which are being used to manage people, micromanage people. So we the MCAs, we are against that, we don't want that, and there is no single day that will support that.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Ng'endo wa Njugu.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno Ng'endo ni tondu wa riboti iyo njega kuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na ni ngucanio cia utongoria na riboti iyo ni iragituika mweke twikorwo tugiikiria oro hanini ngagikuririkania githi na mbere na kwara